Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy mushroom spawn. First, it's important to understand that mushrooms don't grow from seeds like plants do. Instead, they reproduce through spores or mycelium. What you'll actually be looking for is mushroom spawn, which is a growing medium like grain or sawdust that has been inoculated with active mushroom mycelium. This living material is what you'll use to start your mushroom cultivation project. Finding quality mushroom spawn is crucial for successful cultivation. Many specialized online retailers offer a wide selection of mushroom species and spawn types. You might also find options at local gardening centers or agricultural supply stores, especially those focused on organic or specialty crops. Always prioritize suppliers with strong reputations and detailed product information to ensure you're getting viable, healthy spawn. When selecting your spawn, consider the mushroom species you want to grow and your intended cultivation method. Grain spawn is a popular choice, perfect for inoculating bulk substrates like straw or sawdust. If you're planning to grow mushrooms on logs outdoors, plug spawn is specifically designed for that purpose. Researching the best spawn type for your specific project will significantly improve your chances of a bountiful harvest. Proper storage and handling of your mushroom spawn are essential to keep the mycelium healthy and active until you're ready to use it. Always follow the supplier's specific instructions regarding temperature and humidity to ensure maximum viability. Typically, spawn needs to be kept cool and dark. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy growing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.